Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's April 12th, Wednesday, and we got no economic news releases scheduled for today. Kind of funny, we got most of our economic news releases, or at least the good ones, scheduled when the markets will be closed. So just a reminder, tomorrow the bond market will be closing halfway through the day, about 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And then Friday, both the stock and bond market will be closed in observance of Good Friday. So but it's funny, those numbers like CPI numbers and stuff like that will be released on Friday. So we probably won't really see that. It'll be more almost like Monday's numbers because investors will kind of see that over the weekend and then react to accordingly on Monday, most likely. So today, basically, stock market's down again today, but basically for the same reasons as we saw yesterday. So there's not a whole lot of news from yesterday to today, except for we are starting to get some of the the earnings reports from corporations this week as well. So you're going to get some of that coming in here, and they'll be kind of watching those as well. Korea and Syria, of course, are still in the news. U.S. is still urging China to step in and help out with the situation with Korea. Syria, we sent Secretary of State Tillerson to Russia to convince them to drop their support of al-Bashar over there. And of course, U.S. has accused Russia of trying to cover up the chemical weapons that were used in Syria. So, of course, that's not going to probably sit well with the Russians. So, be interesting to see how those play out. So, needless to say, these are interesting times that we are facing today. France, of course, we mentioned yesterday, we got the possible Frexit. They had their elections going on April 23rd, and again, there's one, Le Pen is basically brought up the question of possibly leaving the EU. Another one that was coming up that's a little bit further down, but is getting steam. Macron, I believe was his name, he mentioned that he's a left wing, where the other one, Le Pen, is a right wing. He also is a person who proponent of possibly leaving the EU. Maricon, another guy that's in there, I think he's more run of the mill and basically walk the line, so to speak. So they're concerned about Le Pen or even the other person I mentioned, the Maricon, possibly taking control, obviously, because France would be a huge disruption to the EU system over there. Also in play, Saudi Arabia made a comment yesterday about maybe extending the continued output, the cuts that they made on the output, continuing those lower levels on to the agreements, oil producers, continuing those for the next 6 months. Meanwhile, we've seen oil prices go up. Right now we're about 53 and change. So it's gone up quite a bit. We were down pretty close to about $40 a barrel just about a month ago, and it's gone up quite a bit in that process, as we can see here. Here's a look at the bond market, and we're basically, as we saw, had that nice little rally late in the day here. Right now, we started about 3 basis points lower. We're about even from where we are. We tested the resistance level here. So if you're in this level here and you got interest rates that you're floating, I would definitely probably start looking to lock in this range. If anything, there's chances of us getting knocked down versus going upwards or improving. We're pretty much at the height of we've been seeing where we in this range here, so it would probably be a good time to be locking in versus floating your interest rates out there. All right, so we're about the same as where we left off yesterday. Again, rates are looking good. This might continue this week primarily because these are been kind of facing a flight to safety, or they might even go to Treasury. So that would be another one that could hurt us if they take money out and go into the 10-year Treasury as their safety, especially with these volatility with the geopolitical. We'll probably see this week. Regardless, because going into a long weekend, they don't want their money at risk, so they'll put it into something more safe and conservative, like mortgage-backed securities or perhaps Treasuries here. All right, folks, so that pretty much concludes us for today. But if you guys want to get more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork, and I do post updates throughout the day. Also, if you guys are in the market for a new mortgage, whether if it's a refinance or looking to buy a home or get pre-approved, I'm here. I can assist you. I am a mortgage originator. I can help you out with your different financing needs. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care.